today I'm showing you some LOL surprise fashion crush and some slime. I'm so excited, so let's get started. I'm gonna start with the LOL surprise fashion crush, so let's get started. So this is the LOL surprise series 4 fashion crush series 4, and it's a pink. It's we got some dress, and we got 3 surprises that just a little bit. We got a magnifying glass, a dress, some shoes, and like a jelly. I'm not really sure. So let's get started. And it's very small, so I'm gonna tear it open. Oh, wait a minute. I almost paid off. Let's look for some secret clues. Okay, so we got some hats. We got a hat with a letter A. I think all of the fashion crush are all of the same. So yeah, I'm gonna see some more if they have more. Ooh, and what is this? I'm gonna open it if they got some things. What is this? What is this? Never mind. I'm not gonna open it. I need to tear because I'm like, ooh, what is this? What is this? What is this? I never opened one of these before, so I don't know. Today I just got a toy hunt and I didn't show you because of oh my god. We got like a checklist. That's kind of weird. Okay. So I'm gonna put it. Okay. So it's some dress and it said it's just one clue if I had with an A, and we got a pink basket. So I think we didn't get the gold ball, but it's still very good. Oh, I didn't show you the guide, but okay. So we got another magnifying glass. 2 eyes. That's so silly. Okay. And I'm gonna show you the guard first because I not want to show you the dress. I'm so excited. Ooh, that's so cool. Okay. So I don't know what is down there, so I'm gonna show you. So we got the what is that? I don't know for sure. So we got the glam club, we got the sleepover club, and here is the what is this? A zither club. I can't read it. So sorry guys. This is the swim club. I want to get the swim club because I love that watermelon dress, and I also want that furry one and that one. I love all of them, and they have some outerwear, so lots of cool things. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put it away first. I'm so excited. So here I'm gonna look for more clues, and it's probably the same area of a hat. And yeah. Okay. I never opened this one before, but I see somebody open, and then I just want to. I need some scissors. Where's the scissors? The scissors not around here, so it's so hard to. Mommy, can you help me open it up? It is hard. Okay, so I'm gonna. Okay, so can I have? Thank you. My mom had opened it. there's like a sparkly like jelly. Oh my gosh, that's kind of disgusting. Which outfit do you think we're gonna get? There's some like flowers and it's purple. It's my favorite. And look, this is like a basket for the dress that is dirty. It's like a laundry. I need to wash my hair because it's just ew. Okay, so it's very ill. Okay, I found it. I'm gonna put it in my laundry because I don't like it. First time I think it's gonna feel, it's not gonna like slippery and like this, but I just don't like when I get it. So, okay, I think I got from the swim club. I see some flames. Oh my gosh, ew, disgusting. I need to say I don't like it. I love how it looks, but I don't like how it feels. It's so sticky and weird. Okay, so I'm gonna try to. Oh my gosh, my hands! I need some tissue. I need some tissue very quick because the first time I think it's gonna be soft. As you know me, I don't like dirty things. Yeah. So we got from the swim. Oh no, that's a big problem. I need some things to put it in. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the bag because it's just so like it. I'm not gonna keep it. I'm just gonna throw it because I don't really like the jelly thing kind of things, and it's just disgusting me again. So I'm gonna put it in. Okay. So I just hate it. Okay. I'm not gonna wash my hand. I'm just gonna clean it up a bit. Okay. Disgusting me. Okay. There you go. Bye bye, jelly. Disgusting. And the person. So we got this dress, this shirt, and got some orange shoes. Let's put it in. Okay. Orange shoes with a shirt. We got some like foams. When we swim, we use it. Some kids don't know, and they use it. Yeah. So we got this shorts. My hand is full of dirt and I just don't like it. And also my face. Also my shirt. And it's all my body. Look at this. I don't like the gel. Okay. That's very weird. And now I need to touch the slime. That's disgusting me. Good. So I'm gonna use some water. So guys, I'm gonna see you in the bed. So guys, I just clean my hand a little bit and clean some of the table. It is messy and the floor is just like gooey. And it's just okay. So let's get to the slime. So we got some things and it's a blue slime. I'm so excited. So I'm just going to quickly. Oh. The first time I think it's gonna be sticky. It's very nice. It's like a butter slime. If you think this is a butter slime, put down in comment butter slime. It's so easy. If you think this is a cloth slime, put down in comments cloth slimes. That's so easy. And it's a blue with some like blue and sparkly heart. And it's felt very nice. Okay. It's not sticky, but I love this slime. But I feel it's sticky because it's just from the jelly. I love this slime. It's like a metallic slime. So I'm gonna try to poke it. Okay, I'm gonna poke it. I'm gonna poke it. Okay, so first I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna stretch it. The stretch, I love it. It's a good stretcher. Okay, so I'm gonna poke it. You can't hear it, but I can hear it. It's a very good poker, and I just love it. Okay. It's so satisfying, and the heart are like glittery all over. Oh, look at my. I don't think it can bubble because I love doing that, but I'm gonna try. It's a try, so move to the face to the girl, the boy. I'm gonna build a bubble. I'm gonna build a bubble. I'm gonna build a bubble. No. No. It's so nice. It's very nice. Hi. I love the slime, but I still don't like the jelly things in there. Some of them, the heart is stuck in there, so yeah. You can wear it. You want to wear it? Okay, you can wear it. You can wear some foam bears. Okay, you wear some of the lovely stuff. You can wear one. That's so silly. And there's some cute little boot, little shoes. Okay. Hi. This one it has gel, so I'm gonna try to some of it. I need to take it off. It's so hard to take all of the piece out of the gel, and it just stops like the gel because it's just eating me again. Yay, I got it. Okay, you can put some foamies on for swimming school. Can you put it in, please? And Big Neck Babe is changing the color because the aircon is just so cold and she's changing the color. The window. Put it in, girl. Okay. Just start like that. So the next video, I'm also gonna open more of this, but I don't like how it's like disgusting me, so I don't like that. But the dress is very cute. Okay. 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 Put it in. I'm gonna play more of the slime. I love slime. Slime, I love slime, I love to make slime. Oh yeah. So I'm so excited that I got some fashion crunch, but and I also don't like. I have a good news and a bad news. The good news is that it's so cute. It's so new. I love it. But the thing I don't want is the jelly thing. If 10 out of 10 of the slime is 10, but if for the fashion content out of 10 is 8 because I don't like the jelly. It's sticking to my hand. It's just like, ooh, that's girl. I want to stuck in it. And it is disgusting. This is a very light blue and it's so nice. So this one I just got it from today, and also the fashion crush. And yeah. Okay. I love it. So I'm gonna show you the shirt was done. So I'm gonna see which one we got. I look like we got from the this club. I think the one that I cannot say it is the Sport Club. And we got this one. I think it's not a foam piece. It's like a cheerleader, like from a cheerleader, I think. And the one that I hope to get is that one or that one or that little one. I love all of them, but I very hope to get a new one. But I don't like the tail how it's like, yeah. And yeah. Can you stand, please? My owl don't like stand. Okay, you can stand there. There you go. You can take off your lovely shoes so they can see. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I can't find it. I just love it. I'm gonna find it. Okay. I love slime so much. Just put your legs in so they can see you from these. Hello. You can push it. Okay, you can put all your stuff in there, like some of the and your dirty teddy bear. You can put it there. That's so cute. Okay, let your dirty water bottle in there. Okay. No, not your headphones and stuff. And yeah. Oh no, I think that's about it. Where should she stand? Do you have that? Okay. The sound was so satisfying. Okay, so where should you stand? Can you stand, please? You can stand here in the bottom. So I just love slime because I don't know why. Do I need to open one more? No, that's for the next video. And the next video, I'm going to open it. I'm so excited about that. So guys, what video should I do? I'm thinking to do a 3 marker challenge or like that. So yeah. Bye guys. Miss It's like a snake. This is a real bias. Bias!